Been running graders for 40 years, and I can honestly say this is the creme de la creme right here.
Being never idle means staying at the edge of innovation. Like right at the edge. With Smart Grade, we put a lot of hours in the dirt, so you don't have to. Across graders, dozers, excavators, and track loaders, we don't just want to level the earth, we want to level the learning curve. Because when your tech grades for itself, it pays for itself.
Every time I talk to people, I just say, try it. Because once you use it, the return is so obvious.
We're in the 21st century, so let's start working like it. With fewer passes and less downtime, you're already on to your next site before the dust even settles on the last one. That's what it means to be never idle.